You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. And those systems? They begin with tiny habits, ones so small they feel invisible, until they change everything. Welcome to the Bookish Banter, where books meet animation and big ideas fit into small moments. In this episode, we're diving into Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that doesn't just talk about motivation. It teaches you how to design your behavior so success becomes inevitable. Tiny habits, big results. Let's get into it. James Clear starts with a powerful idea. If you get 1% better every day, you'll be 37 times better in 1 year. Let that sink in. This is the core of Atomic Habits. Small changes lead to big results over time. Most people think they need massive action to transform their lives. But Clear argues that success doesn't come from intensity. It comes from consistency, from small changes repeated again and again, like compound interest for your behavior. Instead of setting big goals, focus on building better systems. Goals are the outcome. Systems are the process. And systems are built on habits. Now, here's the real twist. Habits aren't just about what you do. They're about who you believe you are. James Clear introduces 3 levels of behavior change. 1. Outcomes. That's what you get. 2. Processes. That's what you do. 3. Identity. That's what you believe. Most people focus on outcomes, like losing weight or writing a book. But real change happens when you shift your identity. Don't say, I want to read more. Say, I'm the kind of person who never misses a day of reading. Each habit becomes a vote for the person you want to be. So if habits are so powerful, why is it so hard to build good ones? And so easy to fall into bad ones? Because bad habits give instant rewards. Good habits have delayed payoffs. We live in a world that craves fast results. But good habits are long games. This is where most people give up. To help, James Clear gives us the 4 laws of behavior change. Law 1. Make it obvious. Don't rely on willpower. Change your environment. If you want to practice guitar, leave it in the middle of your room, not in the closet. Law 2. Make it attractive. Pair a habit you want to build with something you already enjoy. Only listen to your favorite podcast while exercising. That's called temptation bundling. Law 3. Make it easy. Reduce friction. Don't try to meditate for 30 minutes. Start with 2 minutes. Make it so easy you can't say no. Law 4. Make it satisfying. Track your progress. Reward yourself. What gets rewarded gets repeated. Stacking these laws together creates a habit-building system that actually sticks. And here's a powerful rule. Never miss twice. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice starts a new habit, the bad kind. Even when life gets messy, do the small version of the habit. Read 1 page. Do 1 push-up. Write 1 sentence. Because consistency beats perfection. Every time. James Clear also talks about the plateau of latent potential. Change feels invisible at first. Like ice warming up, nothing happens from 25 to 31 degrees. But at 32 degrees, it melts. All the progress was happening under the surface. And then, suddenly, it shows. That's how habits work. You show up day after day. And then one day, it all clicks. Here's the TLDR of Atomic Habits. Small habits compound. Identity shapes your behavior. Systems beat goals. And if you want real change, make your habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Atomic Habits doesn't ask you to overhaul your life. It asks you to start small and stay consistent, because it's not about being perfect. It's about being 1% better every single day. If this clicked with you, check out the next video on the screen. See you next time.